Welcome to Instagram Guide for Beginners. This course is designed to help newcomers navigate the world of Instagram with confidence and ease. Whether you're a new user looking to create your first account or a beginner eager to understand the basics of using Instagram for personal or business purposes, this course will provide you with the essential knowledge and skills to kickstart your Instagram journey. In this course, you will learn the fundamentals of setting up an Instagram account, creating a compelling profile, navigating the platform's features, and engaging with your audience effectively. From posting your first photo to exploring Instagram stories and IGTV, you will gain hands-on experience and practical tips to make the most of your Instagram experience. By the end of this course, you will feel empowered to use Instagram confidently, connect with others, and start building your online presence through this popular social media platform. Get ready to embark on your Instagram journey and discover the possibilities that await you in the world of visually driven social media.